Welcome back, students. In this class we continue statistics chapter 13 exercise 13.3 question 4. The question 4 given is the length of 40 leaves. The length of 40 leaves are measured correct to the nearest millimeter and the data obtained is represented in the following table. So next is we'll see what is the data given. So the length is given in millimeter. Number of leaves 118 to 126, 3 127 by 135, 5 136 to 144, 9 144 to 153, 12 154 to 162 is 5, and 163 to 171, 4 172 to 182. Okay, this is the data given. Since the class interval is not continuous, see 118 to 126, then it is starting with 127 like this. So first we have to assume or make the class interval uniform or continuous. So continuous means, see how we have to just make a little change. So write down this class interval, then frequency, then cumulative frequency. So write down length in millimeter, number of leaves F1, then cumulative frequency. Okay, next is take this, we'll consider the same data, little change. So that is, we'll take 11752 to 1265. Next is same thing, we have to start from 126.5 to 135.5, then 135.5 to 144.5, 144.5 to 153.5, 153.5, 162.5, 162.5 to 171.5, 171.5 to 180.5, 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. N is equal to 40. Then see the maximum frequency is here. This will become F, and maximum class interval will be this one. So now we will calculate the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, first one write as it is, then add 3 to 5, then 8, then 8 to 9, this will be 17, again 17 to 12 will be 29, then 29 to 5 will be 34, 34 to 4 will be 38, 38 to 2 will be 40. So now cumulative frequency will be one above the frequency, that is this one is CF. Now n is 40. We'll take the values. L will be, that is maximum class interval. N will be 40. Then F will be 12. CF is equal to 17. Then H is equal to 9. So median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 by, substitute all the values, into 9 is equal to 144.5 plus 9 by 4, which is equal to 144.5 plus 2.25, which is equal to median 146.75 mm. So just don't get confused. Only thing is slight change in the data, that's all. Our assumption is made. Since it is the class interval is not continuous, we have to take the class interval in such a form that it will be continuous, that's all. Just one point, that is this is 118, just we have to take 117.5, then it will be continuous. Other things are same. So this completes the fourth one. So we move on to the fifth question. Sorry. So the question is, question 5, that is chapter statistics, chapter 13, exercise 13.3. Okay, question 5 is the following table. So following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. So next is, what are the data given? We'll see lifetime in hours, then number of lamps, then number of lamps, cumulative frequency, CF, $1,500 to 2,000. The number of lamps is, that is F5, 2,000. Next is 2,000 to 2,500, 56. Then 2,500 to 3,000. 3,000 to 3,500, 3,500 to 4,000, 56, 60, 86, 74, then 4000 to 4500 is 62, then 4500 to 5000 is 48. Then n will be this one. N is equal to F5, that is summation F5, which is equal to 400. So now we will calculate, see what is the maximum frequency. Maximum frequency is 86 F5 and the class interval will be 3000 to 3500. And we will now calculate the cumulative frequency. So write down 14 as it is. 14 plus 56, 70. 70 plus 60, 130. 130 plus 86 is 216. 216 plus 74 is 290. 290 plus 352 is 62 is 352. 352 plus 48 is 400. So this is cumulative frequency. Next we will start what is L. L is 3000 here, and what is H? The difference is 500. And what is the cumulative frequency? One above the frequency, this one, that is 130. Then F write down, F is 86, CF is equal to 130 here. So now we'll calculate the median. Take the formula. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So substitute 3000 plus N is 400 by 2 minus 130 by 86 into 500. So after substituting all the values, we'll get this one, right? 3000 plus simplify all these things, we get 406.98. So now add all this, so we'll get 3406.98 hours. So finally, what is the conclusion? Conclusion is median lifetime of a lamp is how much? 3406.98 hours. So these were the data given. Your lifetime of a neon lamps, they were given. The following tables gives the distribution lifetime of the neon lamps. So this is the lifetime 1500 to 2000. So number of lamps they have given, all the class interval is given. So we'll take the maximum frequency, this one, then the maximum class interval will be taken as this one. Then calculate the cumulative frequency. Calculating means first we have to keep as it is, then go on adding each data here. So now the summation of n is, summation means adding all this, n will be 400. Then cumulative frequency, this is, since this is the maximum frequency, this will be the cumulative frequency. So take L will be always this one, that is maximum free starting of the or upper limit. Then difference will be 500, that is H, F is 86, CF is 130. Then take the median formula and substitute all. L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Then substitute the values here. That is L is 3000, N 400 by 2 minus CF is 130 divided by 86 into 500. Finally, we get 3000 plus 406.98. Adding this, we'll get 3408.96 hours. So finally, the conclusion is the median lifetime of lamp is 3406.98 hours. So this concludes today's class. That is, we completed 4th and 5th problem of the exercise 13.3. So if you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.